In this video, I'm going to explain what LCM means and how to find LCM of two numbers. So there's no formalized note-taking sheet or worksheet for this. However, I do want you to take notes. So you need to get out your notebook and on your next clean page, label it October 30th, 10:30, and you can title it LCM. Pause the video until you are ready to keep going. Alright, so let's first start with what LCM means. The L stands for least, C for common, multiple. At any point in this video, if I'm going too fast, just pause and hit play when you're ready, or you can always rewind. So let's break down what this means. Least common multiple. Well, you remember that multiples from 4th grade are like 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, those are the multiples of 3. 5, 10, 15, 20 are the multiples of 5. So those are multiples. Common means that we're going to be looking at two numbers to see that what multiples they have in common, and we're going to want the least. So when we're looking at multiples that two numbers have in common, we want the least value. So let's get to it. To find LCM, we're always going to, for now, draw an M, just like so, until you're used to the process and can do it a different, faster way. So if I wanted to know the LCM of 4 and 6, I'm going to put 4 here and 6 here at the top. So now what you do is you're going to list the multiples going down the sides of the M. So let's start with 4. We go 4, 8, 12, and then 16. I always go a couple and then go over here. 6, 12, 18, 24. And after a couple, you can kind of stop and see, do I have any in common? Well, I do. I have 12 in common, which is the least that they have in common. So our LCM is going to be 12. Let's try another. LCM of 3 and 5. So you set up your M, 3 and 5, 3, 6, 9, 12, 5, 10, 15, 20. So far, do we have any the same? Nope. So we got to keep going. The 3 side is lowest, so I'm going to start here. 15. Oh, and I realized I had that over here. So 15 is going to be my least common multiple. It's that simple. All right, try one on your own. Find me the LCM of 4 and 6. Just kidding, we already did that. Find me the LCM of 5. Oops. 4 and 5. Alright. Pause the video if you need more time. I know I didn't give you much, but I assumed that you would have paused the video. So 4, 5, 4, 8, 12, 10, 15, 20, 16, 20. You should have gotten that your LCM was 20. Alright, so hopefully this makes sense. If not, you need to rewind and go back to the first slide where I was breaking down what exactly to do. If you're having trouble just listing the multiples, just slow down and count. So 4, 8, 12. If you don't know your 4 multiples, just kind of count 4, add 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so on and so forth. Alright, so last thing I'm going to leave you with, find the LCM of these pairs, pause the video, and then come back for the answers. So the LCM of 2 and 5, 3 and 7, let's do 4 and 9, and one more, let's do 6 and 8. Pause the video, come back for the answers when you're finished. Don't cheat. Alright, so the answers I'm going to go through real quick because you already done them. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 10, 15, 10. 3 and 7, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 14, 21, 28, 18, 21, 21. 4 and 9, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 9, 18, 27, 36, 24, 28, nothing yet, 32, 36. And 6 and 8, gonna have to erase. Six, 8, 6, 12, 18, 24, 8, 16, 24. So hopefully you were able to get those LCMs. Next we're going to go into how we're going to use LCM in addition and subtraction.